It's a kitchen degreaser, a window cleaner, athlete's foot healer, and, oh yeah, you can drink it. But is this miracle liquid the real deal? Chip Yost is live in Santa Monica to show us. Chip.
Yeah, Leela, there's a lot of hype inside this bottle. It's basically just amped up water, and there's research that shows it cleans just as well, or in some cases better than many industrial cleaners. But there's not a lot of practice in the real world about how it would all really work. This is a different kind of cleaning agent than what Sheraton Hotel housekeeper Carolina Mendoza is used to.
That means no chemicals, and we don't breathe it, because we breathe the chemicals every day, and not with this one.
And on the hotel cleanliness side of things, management says the hotel is as clean as ever.
Guest satisfaction index that, for our guest feedback, we have not slipped. We're still ranked very high in our cleanliness.
When we saw this spot on a bathroom wall, we had Carolina put it to the test, and it wiped the spot right off. So the hotel says it's saving about $3,500 a month by not buying all the chemicals it used to, which is fine with Carolina, who says she's breathing better since the hotel started using the system a few months ago.
We don't cough in too much.
Because of those health benefits, the hotel says it's also saving on workers' comp costs. But as for drinking it, as you mentioned a moment ago, well, they say you can drink it, but it's not recommended. Reporting live in Santa Monica, I'm Chip Yost. Leela, back to you.